My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called Griffin. So this Griffin is a new ransomware. It is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your data without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data can be opened easily. But very soon users just realize that they can no longer access the data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this Griffin extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note titled as recovery. It says that the files have been encrypted and that you supposedly need to pay the ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. If you pay it by mistake, you will just waste your funds. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. My recommendation is that you do that with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start investigating your computer. So after you launch Combo Cleaner Antivirus and Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode and only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on the Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this particular ransomware or any other types of threats. So click on the Start Scan button. Then, as I said, the application will start updating the anti-malware database. After the update of the anti-malware database gets successfully accomplished, the software begins investigating your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature is actually something really great. It helps to remove this ransomware effectively. Furthermore, it also helps to protect all your data ahead of time. So you can add certain folders that will always be under the protection in the future. I have to mention that Combo Cleaner actually does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus that would be able to decrypt the files. Combo Cleaner only helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time. Now, speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.